In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your YouTube app on your LG Smart TV is not working properly. Maybe it's very laggy or maybe it's not even launching. So I'll show you 3 different solutions. Let's start with the easiest of them. Unplug your LG TV from the wall socket or from the power strip. Even if it's turned on, this does not matter. Simply pull the plug. Now you can set this aside. And we need to find the power button that is located under your LG TV. Sometimes it's right under the LG logo, but other times it's on the right side or the left side. Let me show you. If I flip the TV, you're gonna notice over here, there's a button. You need to keep press this power button during 30 seconds. So keep it pressed. Even if the TV is turned off, this will simply drain the remaining energy that was still stuck in the TV. After 30 seconds, you can release this button. Now, before plugging the TV back, you need to wait at least 10 minutes. So be patient, put this down, and come back after 10 minutes. When it's time to reconnect your LG TV, I suggest you do not use any power strip. Sometimes these are causing the problems. They are not able to distribute enough power to your TV, and this is why you may have issues. So this is why I recommend you plug your TV directly into the wall socket. Sometimes these can get defective as well, so if you're still having an issue, try plugging it in another one. Alright, so if my first solution didn't work for you, what we need to do now is to delete the YouTube app and reinstall it. Sometimes the updated version that you'll install will work better than the first one. So how to do this? Press the home button on your remote control, and then over here you should see your YouTube app in all the apps that are installed. So go ahead with the arrows and highlight YouTube. Once you're on it, keep press this middle button on the remote control like this. And after 2 seconds, you're gonna see this menu appearing. Over here, you just need to press the up arrow once to select the garbage bin, and then press the middle button to confirm and select yes. This will delete the YouTube app. Now it's time to reinstall it. So press the back button on your remote control and select apps. Apps will open, and this is where you usually download every apps or games that you want on your LG TV. From here, you're gonna go on the magnifying glass up there, select it, and we're gonna type YouTube. Usually, just after typing YOU, you should see YouTube appearing in this list even earlier. So go ahead with the up arrow and select YouTube from there. Then go down and select YouTube from this list and press the install button. It should take about a minute or maybe sometimes even less if you have a fast internet connection. It will install the app automatically and then you'll be able to launch it. So go ahead, press the enter button when you see launch, and hopefully this time YouTube will launch and YouTube will work properly. If after doing this you're still having issue with the app, you can update the TV itself. So to do so, you need to press the settings button on your remote control. It's the cogwheel, sometimes located here. If you have one of these newer remote control, it's in the middle, right over there. Then you need to navigate with the down arrow here until you select all settings, press enter. Here you need to select support, then select software update, it's the first option, and then select check for updates, press enter, it will search, and hopefully you're gonna have an update available to install and you'll be able to do so. If one of these tips worked, please leave a comment down below, or if you have another trick, again, leave a comment, I'm sure it will be useful to somebody. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.